The machine, produced with the latest technology by the Moxon, represents the best technical solution in the field of spray painting. The machines can be produced with 12 or 16 arms according to the will of the customer, and every arm can be supplied with up to 4 guns. By using these guns, any kind of chemical, including acidic materials, for any purpose can be sprayed. Because of the lower to minimize recoil, you can have maximum chemical saving by low pressure. After entering the painting and drying cabinets, the leathers which are placed on the conveyor will be dried and put on the desks. The box that is seen here is the main control unit for whole electric current system. K300 spraying guns, which is designed by us, support to save chemicals like whole system. Because spraying regulators distribute equal amount of chemical to the spraying guns, spraying amount of chemical will be the same and you can provide homogenized painting. Upwards and downwards movement of the side doors make it very easy to clean the tunnel by saving time and labor. To secure the workers, the movement of the doors are alerted by siren and light, and the doors are furnished with photocell security devices for emergency. Machines include painting, drying and cooling cabinets. Also, the number and length of painting cabinets can be changed according to the customer's request. EPS Leonardo Double Effect is a special electronic system that enables controlling 64 spray guns at the same time separately to give each one different commands. The shape and position of the leather on the conveyor, daily sums, working cleaning times, the quantity of leather that is sprayed, the percentage between the real area and the sprayed area of the skins, etc., information can be observed from the screen. Every data from the machine can be controlled by the operator, and specialized electronics and mechanical systems of the machine prevents your skins from any inhomogeneous sprayings. The main advantage of this machine allows you to have all the data can be checked. On customer demand, including many Italian brands, their system has been changed with our system and provided to become more efficient. Automated cleaning system makes you able to pass from one color to another in about 30 seconds and no blockage or dirt remains in the pipes. Also, the remaining chemicals in the pipes of the distribution system is earned back, so while decreasing the cost of the chemicals, also reduces the pollution. Also, we can change the setting of the regulator without stopping the machine, so amount of chemical can be controlled, which sprays from the painting guns. The Moxon elliptic spraying machine also represents another outstanding solution for spray finishing of skins. As well as including every advantage of rotary spray booth, machine also comes with some very useful features such as short overall dimensions, which saves workspace and ability to draw direct lines in certain orders. Together with EPS Leonardo Electronics rotary booth of proven reliability, equipped with a wide variety of equipments matching any need of customers.